Here we fitted a Ghost 2 immobiliser to this 2017 Porsche Macan Turbo. Now let me show you how it works. So if you come around here, there's absolutely no indication that the immobiliser has been installed into this vehicle. There's no display, there's no buttons or anything like that that's installed in the car, and you don't carry any tags with your keys. So there's absolutely no indication that this immobiliser is actually fitted. So if you try to start it without entering any code, and then it just cuts out, and then you just can't start it. So what you have to do is a unique PIN code that you set up, which works with the factory buttons. So again, it's not like a separate keypad or anything like that that you install in here. You could change the code, so it's not like one preset and that's it. You can't change it after that, so you could change as many times as you want. So you as a customer are the only one that knows what the unique code is. For anyone to guess what it is virtually impossible. People want to steal these cars and don't want to be hanging around for quite some time in trying to guess what it is. So I'm going to enter the code to just show you this bit. So you turn the ignition on, don't start the vehicle up, and now we enter the code. You wait for the 2 flashes, and now we can start it up. And then you can just drive off. What buttons work on the vehicle depends on the vehicle itself. So different models of vehicle, different ages of vehicles, it's various different buttons that actually work with them. So you cannot pick any buttons you like, but there is a whole series of buttons that will work, and you can pick whatever you want, whatever sequence you want, or how many buttons of that you want, and that's quite bespoke to you. So you could change the code and no one else is going to know what it is. And without that code, you're not driving off. It's not going to start. So that's the Ghost 2 immobiliser that's been fitted to this 2017 Porsche Macan Turbo.